Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download apps in laptop and PC on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just look for our Microsoft Store. So to do that, on the search bar, just search for Microsoft Store right here. And then after that, all you have to do is to click on Open. Once you click on Open, you will see a bunch of apps that you can download right here. So just scroll down and then look for the apps that you want to download. So there are some apps that requires you to pay before using it. And then there are also some apps that is free. So let's say for example that we want to download TikTok. So just go into TikTok and then click on Get. After that, the app will now be installed. So all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is now getting ready. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to click on open, and then you should now be able to use the app. So that is basically it.